Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord mic cutting out. So there's a couple of factors that could play into this, right? So the first thing is the input sensitivity. Now you can see when I talk, the input sensitivity is right around there, right? But if, for example, if my input sensitivity is around here, then whatever I talk behind this bar, if I talk at a lower volume, you can see there, like it sometimes go below that bar, it will cut out, right? So if you cut it out, and if you talk low, you can just move this bar all the way down. So anytime you talk, it's above that bar, right? So it won't be cut out or things like that. You can also automatically determine the input sensitivity like this, right? So instead of you manually doing it, the Discord will decide that for you. But if you don't like that, you can just manually do it like I do, right? Now, the other things that you can do is that Discord sometimes have these things, right? So it's an audio codec. If you do voice processing and it does echo cancellation, it might interfere with some of your audio. I found that sometimes when I have my Discord audio cutting out, turning this off could help. But of course, then you will have echo on your video. Another thing that Discord has is called noise suppression, right? So suppress background noise from your mic. That this could interfere with your voice as well. So I just set it to Chris. But if you find that it's really bothering you, you can just set it to none here and it might help. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.